Welcome back to the series where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold clothes. So, today we're gonna have a look at pants. I got a bunch of pants laid out here. So we're gonna do it similar to last week. We're gonna split it up. So first we're gonna have a look at jeans. And we're gonna have a look at slacks. I also have a pair of chinos here. As well as a little, I guess it's yoga pants. It's running pants, tights in general. Will also work for long johns. We're also gonna have a look at how to roll up the pant leg, as well as I think we're going to have a look at how you can hang especially the slacks and dress pants and this type of stuff as well. As always, I will be making a huge article that you can check out at organizing.tv/fold-pants probably, and there you can get like step-by-step instructions with like images and the whole deal on there. So let's get started here. We're gonna do the jeans first. Time to update this, and yeah. Alright, so let's start out by doing the file fold on this jeans, popularized by Marie Kondo in her KonMari method, as I'm sure many of you know. This method is fantastic for organizing stuff neatly. It also saves a little bit of space and it's pretty fast to do. So what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna lay our jeans down on a table or on the bed, wherever really, with the front facing up like this. From here we're going to fold it over in half from one side to the other. And this is an optional thing that you can do, but you could fold in this crotch area here, like this. Doing so creates a little bit of a crease down this, down where you fold it. So it is optional. You get a more even and nice line if you do it like this. Also the fold will be slightly smaller, but I mean, it's up to you. I like to fold it in. So from here, we're going to fold the pants over in half. I'm just going to take the bottom here and fold them all the way up to the waistband like this. And from here, we are going to split the pants into 3 parts from top to bottom. So we're going to start out by folding the part with the pant leg and the waist. This is so that we can secure it inside the middle of the fold so that they don't unravel there. So I like to fold it down slightly less than 1/3 of the way, and you will see why here in a second. So folding it down like this, and now you can probably see what's going next. We're going to fold it down one more time. Since we folded this section slightly less than 1/3 of the way, we get it to line up evenly here at the bottom, since this builds a little bit in this part of the fabric otherwise. So from here, we're going to raise it up on the part where there are 2 folds, and like this, so that you have the single fold up top here. If you have multiple pants, let's me get my little treasure chest out here. So I pre-folded another pants file folded here for you guys so I could show you. Once you have multiple pants that are file folded, you can stack them like this, and it's very easy to go through everything that you have, right? If you have something that's flat folded, you kind of have to dig through your drawers or shelves for that matter, to find the pants. But if you file fold it vertically, stack them like this, like this, it's a lot more easy to dig through them. You can see these pants are not folded the crotch in for, so you can see it is a slightly larger fold. By the way, if you're interested in this box, I will be linking it down below. And yeah, I think that's all for file folds, but I want to show you some other cool folds for pants as well. So let's move on in the next video, and I'll show you how to do a very cool block roll.